Hi everyone, it's me Amri Nuruddin and welcome back to another brand new video guys. In this video I will show you the beauty of our nature. And there you can see this is a cropland, and here there are my two friends. One is Hasnain Jiyad and second one is Fahimul Islam, and they are going to a cropland. You can see the beauty of the nature is so enchanting. I'm walking there, and also I will show you the beauty. And here you can see a flower, and the flower color is so beautiful, and the flower is so big. As you can see, this is the uh, yeah,